This video presentation from Agilent Technologies demonstrates how our new multi-channel signal analysis platform, the N7100, helps to solve difficult problems often encountered in the design of MIMO equipment for LTE, WiMAX, and Wi-Fi systems. In this first LTE example, an unimpaired MIMO signal is analyzed. As shown here, the signal is configured with two layers of spatial multiplexing. These layers are applied to the pre-coding matrix, which distributes them between two transmit antennas. The pre-coding matrix is selected from a codebook. In this case, codebook 0 is used, which applies each layer directly to one transmit antenna with no cross-coupling. The custom demo software loads each signal generator with the waveform that would appear at one transmit antenna. These signals are connected to the two input channels of the N7100, then decoded and analyzed by the 89600 software. The 89600 display can show several sets of measurement data simultaneously. This display shows 6 sets of results, and each window can be configured independently to show a wide range of results. For example, data is available on each transmit channel as shown here. A 4-channel setup would contain 2 more menus for the 3rd and 4th channels. A wealth of information is also available on a per-layer basis. Again, in a 4-channel measurement, the 3rd and 4th layers would also be available in this menu. Results can be summarized over the entire frame or sorted by resource block. This menu provides access to measurement results related specifically to spatial multiplexing. For example, this information table shows the characteristics of the various direct and cross-coupled paths in the system. This is useful for verifying the pre-coding matrix and for detecting unwanted cross-coupling between channels. The condition number display provides verification that the pre-coding gains are correct and that transmit power levels are properly balanced. For codebook indices other than 0, this determination is not possible through a simple broadband power measurement. This display shows the frequency response for each of the signal paths. This can be another aid in troubleshooting system problems. Compare this display with the condition number graph. It can be seen that the condition number is approximately equal to the difference in gain between the two paths. The variable condition number is apparently being caused by a frequency-dependent gain mismatch between the two channels. This could suggest a mismatch in the two RF paths or amplifiers, rather than an error in pre-coding gain. In conclusion, this video segment has provided an introduction to analysis of LTE MIMO signals with the Agilent N7100 multi-channel signal analysis platform and 89600 vector signal analysis software. The next example will demonstrate analysis of a 2x2 LTE MIMO signal with impairments due to static fading. To set up this demonstration, follow the same steps as before, but select the option with fading paths in the custom demo software instead of the unimpaired demo. This will create a signal using the same codebook index, 0, as was used in the first example. However, in this case, a large amount of frequency-dependent cross-channel coupling has been added to simulate a fading environment. N7100 software provides many different indications of the impairments on this signal. For example, if matrix decoding is disabled in the demodulator properties dialog, signal demodulation will fail completely. This only works with codebooks 0, since an unimpaired signal with codebook 0 contains no cross-coupling. Another indication of impairment is the large magnitude of condition number shown in this graph. The channel frequency response plot shown here displays the direct paths in red and green, while cross-channel gains are shown in orange and yellow. Comparing the frequency response with condition number, we can see that condition number is dominated by the amount of cross-coupling present in this signal. The MIMO information window shows the large amount of cross-coupling numerically here, but does not depict its frequency-dependent nature. The frame summary display shows EVM and power levels as a function of signal components such as the synchronization signals and various physical channels. For MIMO signals, analysis of the physical downlink shared channel, or PDSCH, is broken down by transmit layer. This analysis breakdown supplies valuable information when diagnosing and locating the source of problems in a transmitter. This concludes our demonstration of LTE MIMO signal analysis with the N7100 multi-channel signal analysis platform.